Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. Today I'm going to show you how to log out of MetaMask. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. In order to log out of MetaMask app, let me just tap open MetaMask first, just to show it to you. From the main wallet page of MetaMask, which looks like this, in order to sign out or log out of your wallet, go to the hamburger menu located at the upper left-hand corner. Now this will bring up an expanded menu on the screen. At the bottom of the page, you should see an option that says lock. Give it a tap, and when it asks you if you really want to lock your wallet, select yes. Now, as you can see, you've landed in this password text box page here. That means you have successfully logged out of your MetaMask wallet app using your iPhone. To log in back again, you'll need to provide your password for your MetaMask wallet that you created during the sign-up process. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.